Kia ora whanau. Kia ora whanau, we are I'm at Tamariki, and my group is called Tūhoe Kawerau. Kia ora whanau. Kia ora whanau, today we are at Tūhoe Kawerau, and we are going to have so much fun. We're doing our stage walk, and we'll see you in the morena for our stage.
Get away from my child. YouTube guys.
Welcome to Tūhoe Kawerau. Welcome to Tūhoe Kawerau. I got the downsides and I got the camera. We got the eye. Yeah. Should we just go video outside?
Where should we go?
We got the most fellas. So we're outside, Fana. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got Gassy. What's your name? What's your name? Go, what's your name?
My name is Morty.
And how old are you? You know you're making dry videos,
I'm 13.
Oh, what's your name?
Have
Honey.
you got to go further away?
Good.
Who are you performing for? How old are you?
13.
2 minutes. Okay. And what is your favourite thing about Tūhoe Kawerau?
Not the food.
What's your name? What are your father's name? What's your name?
This is Tamariki.
And how old are you?
He's 2 and I'm 12.
And what is your kapaka group?
Tūhoe Kawerau.
What is your favourite thing about Tūhoe Kawerau?
Probably just all the people and yeah.
Kia ora people! My name is Ray and I'm an emo. Can I hold it? Makes the marvellous. Wait. My mother makes the most marvellous noise.
Hey guys. Wait, who's this there? You know,
Mine.
Cheers!
Yeah.
Oh, get her.
Not too bad.
Come
Hi guys.
Good morning to you.
Guys, she's my favorite guys.
Yeah,
She's my favorite. Okay, I'm following where Banish goes.
Oh, where should we go, Iggy?
Where should we go?
Go interview your dad.
Yeah, we should interview people.
Okay, go to
Come on.
fella. Let's go to his dad.
Let's go to your dad. So how old are you and what group did you perform for?
Kia ora, what's your name?
Kia ora, I'm the man.
Oh, no, you're not. Okay, what's your name?
Hey,
What's your name?
Hi
Timo.
Okay. Who were you performing for?
When?
For Te Tuki. What do you think?
Oh.
What do you think?
I was performing for Ngai Tamariki.
We're performing for Ngāti Akapati.
And how old are you?
How old am I? 32.
You're 48?
Think, well, calm down, bro.
Now, what is your favourite thing about your kapaka group?
What doing?
The vibes.
The vibes.
Vibes.
What's the
vibes.
drinks?
The
Hey?
vibes.
The vibes.
The vibes. The vibes. The vibes. The drinks.
Yeah, drinks are
Oh,
Go to...
come, let's go into Wharenui.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Face
Face it to me! Face it to me! Face it to me! Face it to me!
Hi!
Hi guys!
Guys!
Oh guys, my name is Pari and my haka egg is when the boys smell like BA and the girls
Haka turn on!
Haka turn on!
I had it
when I look at a girl to my right or my left and all I see is come on, Kara, let's go. What's up, guys?
Sorry.
But I do see him.
And hold the camera.
Hello, my name is Jamie.
Hello, my name is.
I'm 11 years old.
Okay. My name is.
No. Davidi, hi Davidi. Matsuo, say hi.
Can I have a drink?
Oh, can you wait? Can we show the merch?
Ricky, she wants the camera back.
Let me flat it. They're on floor now. Everyone get on floor. Get on. You got everyone?
Ricky. Hey.
Oh, we got Mr.
We got Mr.
Hi guys.
You want to show us around?
To be in it.
Oh, here.
What the hell's your puppy?
Hi guys. I'm going to video the boys because Hey.
That's so big a breakfast.
No, what's your name? What's your name?
Kahu, boy.
Kahu what?
Kahu kura wane ko tūro te whare aru.
Hey, how old are you?
11.
And what is your favourite thing about being the Kaitapaki Tāmi? Hurry up. We've got the crew today, yo.
I don't know.
Get out of here.
To just say the words.
Okay.
Yeah, and
So-
tell this big boy.
Oh, so we're gonna go to go look at everyone in the kitchen. So if you can see in that little kitchen, we're gonna go in there. Oh, they're not allowed to get recorded because I said. So my group is Tūhoe Kawerau, Te Kapako Tūhoe Kawerau, and we're gonna be going for a tour everywhere. Bye. Okay, so we got some. And then we got the. Tūhoe Kawerau. Tūhoe Kawerau. Te kapahaka o Tūhoe Kawerau.
Actually, you can go back with your father.
No, he wants to be in a video. You better be extra good. I'm really serious about this. We need to get that sound effect done. We've been on here for 10 minutes. Let's get to y'all.
Taking selfies for?
Yeah. But Okay. Is it cold out here? No. But yes, it is. Girl, do you need help with your beanie?
No.
Okay. You need help, eh? Come on.
Okay.
Am I super famous? Yeah, I am.